Alright, this quick video here is how to take off the seal on the Eurostar brake. And I don't know if this is going to show up, but this is an old seal and you may or may not see it, but there's some deformations on the seal. It's not allowing it to seal properly, so the rear brake was not working properly. And when I pulled the system apart, there was some corrosion in there, so we need to clean that up. And so the way I like to take these off, again, don't use this tool. This is a pick. I like the 90 degree. Don't use this tool if you're going to reuse the seal or if there's nothing wrong with the seal, because it's probably going to damage it. And before you take the seal off, always note the direction of the seal. So you see how that seal, the bottom side is facing this boss, and what you don't want to do is damage the seal if you're going to try to reuse it, so don't use a pick. But I'm throwing these seals out and putting new ones on. So I like to use a pick, and I just hook it underneath. And sometimes with old brakes, what happens is they just rip and break. So that part's fine. If it breaks, who cares? I'm changing it anyway. So again, I like to use a pick, hook it underneath the seal, and then you just kind of roll it off unless it breaks like that. So that's obviously a bad seal because it was pretty brittle. Roll it off. I'm not going to put the new one on yet because I need to clean this puck. But when I put the new one on, let's see if I have an old one somewhere. Bear with me for a second. That's not going to work. But if I had a new one and I was ready to put it together without you waiting, what I would do is I would lube the piston with a little bit of brake fluid. Makes it slippery. I would also soak the seal in a little bit of brake fluid. And what I would do, I have the brand new seal here, but I'm not going to put it on because I don't want to have to take it back off. Again, notate which direction the seal came off. Align it, and then you're going to go basically like this, very similar to mounting a tire. So you're going to center the seal the best you can. I'm right-handed, so I'm going to use my right thumb, and I just work the seal right around the piston. So that's the easiest way I've found to do it. Minimizes the stretching of the seal or the tearing or breaking. And then when I go to put it inside the caliper, which is over here, again I got to clean and prep everything, but when I put it in the caliper, I will lube the inside bore with brake fluid. So that is how I do that. And previously I had a video on the whole exploded diagram, and go check that out. So again, this is NorCal Karters. This is the Parolin rear caliper. If you found this video helpful, please donate to our project. Have a great day.